Once upon a time, there lived a boy and a girl who had a Thai friend that invited them to Thailand, and this story is about Jennick's Thailand adventures.
Yep, this is where we're staying. Look at this. Look at that. So this is our first day in Thailand, and it's raining really hard. That's what we get for coming during monsoon season. The plane ride up here sucked. It was forever long. Lasted all of 27 hours. But we got here, and we don't even have any jet lag because we came here at night. We went to sleep, and we woke up. We feel good. We were gonna go shopping, but now it's raining. So I don't know what we're gonna do.
I don't care if Nick doesn't know what we're doing. We're going shopping.
Oh yeah? With that hair? With that hair? We're good.
What?
I'm just saying it's gonna get wet and you're gonna be like, my hair sucks, blah. So anyways, Milk's been helping us get our food and stuff this morning. She's teaching us Thai and we're trying to teach her English.
And it's kind of cool being a minority, like in that. Everyone being like, who that girl?
What?
Speaking Thai.
Okay.
You're so
go.
funny. Jang Peng. Jang Peng.
Cause look at that pile right there on the thing. That's all the clothes I brought. That right there, yep, that's all the clothes I brought with me. That little pile. So, I need to get some clothes.
Watch this, America.
Having fun.
Looking pale. Looking pale. Looking beautiful.
Yeah, I got that.
You're like, dude, it's all these people watching me. Say that you love them. Tell them.
You didn't say you loved them.
Say that you love them. The gravity's heavier in Thailand, okay? Gravity affects people more. Tell your YouTube people that you love them.
I don't even know them. They don't even care.
Just say it.
bored.
Don't say.
They're just staying up late on the computer and they're
Jen,
just like, oh,
do you
what's
want
this?
Do you want viewers? Then you just lie and you say you love them.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna learn about Thai style, all right?
Okay.
Say it.
I love you, Mom.
Bye.
Bye.
La 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 la.
Go away. Get out of here. Thailand is the land of smiles.